It is the debate that has destroyed design teams. Do you put your navigation at the top of the screen or on the side? Pick the wrong one, and in 6 months, your entire app will break. Stick around because today I am giving you the definitive rule on when to use which and showing you a live dashboard that handles both perfectly. Let's start with the top navigation. Think of this as a showroom. It's highly visible, it feels familiar, and it saves vertical space. It is perfect for e commerce, portfolios, and marketing websites. But it has a fatal flaw: it does not scale. Because of human cognitive load and the physical width of the screen, a top navigation bar maxes out at about 5 to 7 items. Add any more, and it looks like a cluttered nightmare. Now, the sidebar. This is the control center. You use a vertical sidebar when you are designing a SaaS product, a dashboard, or any complex web app. Why? Infinite scalability. If your client asks you to add 10 new features next year, a vertical sidebar can handle it effortlessly. You can use accordions to nest submenus, and it naturally aligns with the F pattern of how human eyes scan a screen from top to bottom. Here is the trap junior designers fall into. They choose top nav for a complex app just because it looks cleaner on day one. But digital products grow. If you don't anticipate that growth, you will be forced to completely redesign the architecture in a year. Always ask the stakeholders how many features are on roadmap for the next 24 months. If the answer is a lot, build a sidebar. Here is the strategist pro tip: the hybrid approach. Use a clean top nav for your public facing marketing website to sell the product. But the second the user clicks login, switch them into the powerful sidebar environment to actually use the product. I built this exact dual navigation architecture into the new SaaS template available at my website sindhura.org. Let's look at the live demo. Aesthetics bring them in, but scalability makes them stay. That was concept 25. But what happens when even your top navigation runs out of room on an e commerce site? In concept 26, we are breaking down the anatomy of the perfect mega menu. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And let me know below, are you a team sidebar or team top nav? See you next time. Bye bye.